You pull your finger and pop, that satisfying crack. But what just happened inside your joint? And does it actually cause arthritis? Your joints are surrounded by a capsule filled with synovial fluid. That fluid contains dissolved gases, mostly carbon dioxide and nitrogen. When you pull or bend your finger, you increase the space inside the joint capsule. The pressure drops and those dissolved gases form a bubble. The pop is that bubble forming, not bursting. This is called cavitation. The exact same physics that makes boat propellers noisy. And no, it does not cause arthritis. A doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand every day for 60 years. Both hands were identical at the end. He won an Ig Nobel Prize for it. Subscribe to Why Does That? Science is louder than you think.